Get on down. Here we go. On my way to the forest. To do the forest. This is a dam here at Kidderong Heights. A massive dam. I think they can utilize this much better. This dam. Dam wall. Oh, it's overflowing. En ek hierdie bed ingaan. Beautiful riverbed. I want to follow this river. That side there's a road, and the other side of the river. Very nice. Beautiful river. And then massive trees in the forest. Inside the forest. Right again. Spiders. At the illegal timber site, illegal deforesting. I think the government took over here, blocked off the area. They damaged this whole area. All the trees being cut. Slippery here. Slippery way. They about destroyed this whole beautiful river. Small water stream. Beautiful. Follow the water stream. It's beautiful here. Inside the forest. I'm following the waterbed. So beautiful, so peaceful here. You can feel the calmness. Old trees being demolished, coming from that way, going this way. Follow the water. It's beautiful here. The water. Clear water. This is so calm in the forest. It's not difficult to follow the stream. There's not much space to walk. inside over there. Clear water. Inside the forest, it's so beautiful, so awesome there. Just to walk there, feel the calmness. That is, it's like extra energy, extra peacefulness that you do experience there. It's just so nice experience. And it's so pity that all the deforestation is going on. They cut the forest, destroy the forest. It's so pity that is going on. But I love it inside the forest, especially here in Nyabau Rain. Landslide down here. Awesome.